Happy Saturday, everyone. Welcome to or welcome back to another vlog. And today, you guys, we're going to give you some cleaning motivation. Yes, I need to focus on some areas in my kitchen that needs to be cleaned. And before we get into all of that, I need to do a Walmart run and I need to make a few other stops at some other stores. But before we get into the video, for those of you that are new, and I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. But for those of you that have not done so already, click that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my new uploaded videos. And click the like button. Now, as I just said, we're going to make a stop at Walmart because I need to pick up a few more cleaning items that I have run low in. And I don't want to run out while I'm cleaning. Also, I need to go buy Whole Body Nutrition. I need to pick up my little energy booster drink that I normally drink on a daily basis to give me that little boost of energy. And I think that's it. I may stop and get me something to eat. I haven't had anything for breakfast this morning. So yeah, let's go shopping. Okay, you guys, so I'm currently here in Walmart. It is so hard to vlog when there's a lot of people around because they look at you like you're crazy. So I'm over here getting ready to pick out the scent refills for the air wick that I have in my home. So let's see what they have for the fall. I've never had the pumpkin spice scent before. So I'm gonna see what that smells like. I don't know if my husband would like that scent, but I'm gonna give it a try. I have 3 in my home, so I'm gonna see if they have one for, oh, the brown sugar was really nice the last time I got it, but I'm gonna try this one. And also I'm gonna get lavender. I love lavender scents, so those are the 2 scents that I'm gonna get right now. Okay guys, I got me a smoothie bowl. I did show you guys earlier what it looks like before they put the top on it. I've never had a smoothie bowl here from Wholesale Nutrition. Always got my smoothie bowls from, or acai bowls. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to wait to do this at home. It's gonna make a mess. Everything is stuck to the lid. Oh my goodness, I didn't think it was gonna be like that. When I lift the lid, everything comes up. So I'm gonna have to eat this at home. I really want to eat it now because I want to stop somewhere else. Crap. Yeah, I wanted to stop somewhere else because I'm not that far away from home. So yeah, it's not gonna melt too much. I guess I'm gonna eat this at home because this is gonna really fill me up. But I wanted to make one more stop, and I don't know if I'm gonna do that because I'm really looking for, my daughter is really wanting these dumplings, and I heard that, well, she and I both heard that they sell them at Dollar General too. I went earlier this week to another one close by my home, but they had sold out there, and I don't think I'm gonna stop because I want to really eat this while it's cold. And I'm gonna give you guys a haul of what I got at Walmart, so I'll see you guys when we make it to the house. Okay guys, as you can see, we've made it back home, so I'm gonna go over with you guys my Walmart haul. We're gonna start over here with the Airwick Essential Mist. I have the pumpkin spice, and also I have the lavender and almond scent. The reason why I got the lemon essential oils is to put in my garbage disposal. That makes sure the garbage disposal smell really good. You know, sometimes when you put a lot of food and things in there, sometimes stuff can sit and settle and it makes that bad odor come from your garbage disposal. This will kill it. Also, we got the Better Homes and Garden. I have the salted coconut and pumpkin and the rose and sandalwood. Both of these smells very good. Moving on over to the health and beauty section. Over here, I got this at Wholesale Nutrition. You guys saw that. This is what I take every day for energy. As you can see, it's the green blends. You get your greens in, and also it has the Yaba Mate. I think that's what it is. Don't quote me on that. I have to look it up. That helps give you energy. Also, what I got at Walmart, I got the twin pack of the Dove deodorant, and also I got Dove Refreshing Body Wash. This is our favorite body wash here, you guys, the Dove Refreshing. Moving over here to the laundry section of the Walmart haul, we have the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, Zero Bleach. This is the Sport Odor. This is the Sport Odor Eliminator. We have Dawn Infused Bliss. I love this scent, y'all. It smells so good. Also, we have the Ultra Gain Aroma Boost, long lasting freshness and brightness. This is in the Hawaiian Aloha scent. Over here we have the Clean Sensation Arm & Hammer scent boosters, and then we have the Dawn dishwashing soap. So yeah, you guys, this is my Walmart haul. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started with cleaning out my refrigerator. It is sad to say that it has been a minute since I've cleaned my refrigerator, so today we're gonna tackle this. As you can see, there is some buildup down there, and I'm gonna start throwing out food that we haven't eaten that probably has spoiled or what have you. So let's get started on cleaning out this refrigerator. Hopefully I can give you all some good angles. If not, this is the before and I'll show you the after, but I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me as I clean this refrigerator out. Show you all of the stuff that was in my fridge. Look at that, y'all. And a lot of the stuff is going to be thrown out. I already got some water made to start cleaning, but I'm going to be using my Method. You know that I told you I love Method, so we're going to be using Method also to clean out the refrigerator. I'm going to spray that in there first. This is all that was in my refrigerator. Yep, all this stuff was in my fridge. My husband also used the table as his office, so don't mind all of the other stuff that's non-refrigerated foods. But yeah, these are the items that were in my refrigerator. So let's get this refrigerator cleaned. Okay guys, so I have the fridge cleared out. As you can see, look at all of that stuff that has spilled inside of the fridge that needs to be cleaned. Now these drawers, it's going to be hard for them to come out because of the way my refrigerator is up against this wall and this door is, and it has the trays on it. It's going to be hard to get those trays out, but I don't think anything has really spilled behind these drawers because we have meat and vegetables in these, and I don't see any like dark spots in the back, really showing that something has, you know, fallen back there and gotten that dirty. But I'm gonna have to try to get, yeah, we've got some stuff down here, so I'm gonna have to try to figure that out, how to get up under that tray. So yeah, this is gonna be a hard job, y'all. Well, it's not gonna be a hard job, I don't want to say that. The hardest thing is getting these trays out at the bottom to clean under it, so trying to figure out how to get that out. So let's get started on cleaning this refrigerator. Taking out the tray. Y'all, look what just happened. Thank God that my tray that goes into my refrigerator did not break, but it knocked this down. So I got to get this up real quick before it stained my floor. I just forgot that this can stain. I did chip a little bit of this part here off of it, but it's not bad where it can't go back in the refrigerator. So these little pieces here, when it hit the floor, thank God that's all it hit was that. If not, then I will be having to replace this glass. But thank God it did not, come on, thank God it did not break that. So let's finish cleaning out the refrigerator. I cleaned up all of the mess. I got a mop anyway, so after I do finish cleaning the refrigerator and the cabinets, I'm gonna take care of the floor. So let's go ahead and finish this so we can get started on our other tasks that we at hand. Take these trays off. So now that I got those trays off, I can probably take this tray out. I need to take this tray out in order to clean the little cracks that's right here. So let me see. Oh yeah, oh, well, let's see. Doesn't want me to take it out, y'all. If this door could just swing, farther back, I wouldn't have such a hard time taking it out. I would really like to clean those cracks right there. I'm gonna have to figure it out, but I'm not gonna be able to hold the camera or have the camera where you guys can see me doing this. So let me figure this out, because I want to make sure I get this refrigerator clean in its entirety, because I've already started up here taking the shelves and all of that out, and I still need to really wipe it down. So let me come back with an after. You see before, and if I'm able to get these trays out, I'll bring you back to see what it looks like with them out, but it seems like I'm gonna have a hard time doing that. So I wasn't able to take the tray out, but I am gonna be able to clean on top of that, on top of the other tray there, and along the walls here. So I'm gonna let it stay angled like this, and I'm gonna clean it like that, because I can't take it out. It won't come out because of the door. If the door wasn't here, you know, this wall wasn't here where the door could swing out, I would be able to take it out. But I'm gonna go on ahead and finish cleaning. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys an after. So let me finish this, because we got other things to do. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I got my refrigerator clean. Even though that little chip back there where it fell, thank God it didn't break the glass, but everything is spick and span, clean. Like I said, I did my best on the corners because I couldn't get the drawers out, but yeah, I got it clean, y'all, as much as I could. I wish I could get over in there to get that out. Like I said, I couldn't pull the tray out, so, but that's okay. I'm gonna figure it out one day on how to get over in there and get get these trays out to clean them out. Maybe my husband will have to help me and pull the refrigerator out. But anyway, we got it cleaned. Now, the thing we have to do now is put everything back. Well, not everything, because some of this stuff I know needs to be put in the trash. So let's get started on that. Okay guys, I've gotten everything placed back in the fridge, and I have thrown out some things. So now we're gonna get started on cleaning my cabinets. Okay, guys, now that we're done cleaning the refrigerator, we're gonna get started on my cabinets. And I'm gonna use this to clean my wood cabinets. Now you can use this on any of your furniture in your home, like your coffee tables or anything like that. But it says on here that it cleans grease and grime. So you know, in the kitchen, you're cooking, even if you have your vent hood on, y'all saw the last video where it did wonders with cleaning my vent hood. But I know I'm talking up Method, and this is definitely not sponsored. Y'all, I came across Method when I was in Atlanta helping my son, and we were cleaning his apartment while he was at work, just to surprise him. When he comes home, he has a clean apartment. And this is when I discovered Method. I just got some cleaning products when we went shopping at Walmart, and when I saw how good it cleaned, I just fell in love with it. I had never tried Mrs. Meyer's. You know, I tried all of the others, you know, stuff like Clorox and Lysol and all that stuff, those cleaning products, but never tried Method. And when I first tried it, I fell in love with it, so I wanted to try all of their other products. So here we go. We're gonna try the wood cleaner. So we're gonna clean my cabinets, the ones that are at the top and at the bottom. And I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me. Y'all, forgive me. I'm trying to figure out how to get better angles to keep you guys interested when I vlog or whatever. I'm still learning this thing, so y'all bear with me until I figure everything out. But we're gonna get started on cleaning my cabinets, so let's get to work. Hear me. First, what I'm gonna do is spray the cabinets down real well. By the time that I get over here, it'll be probably time enough, you know, to have set enough where I can come back and wipe the cabinets down over here. So we're gonna get started on that. I'm spraying this section more because where the vent hood is, it has more of like grease and grime on these cabinets here. So hopefully it will be able to settle to get some of it to come loose, and where I can wipe it down and get that grease off. Now that I've gotten them sprayed down, I'm getting ready to wipe them down and see how well Method cleans this wood. Ooh, and it smells so good. The scent smells really good. It's like an almond scent. It smells really good. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Look at the dirt that has come off of the cabinets just by using that. And this is a lot that came off right in the area where the vent hood is. So I'm gonna have to do more elbow grease on that area right there because of the grease and grime that's on there from when I'm cooking, and the, you know, the smoke, the vent, it vents all of the stuff up through here. So I'm gonna have to do more work on that area using that product. So still gonna wipe it down, but I think, and I can see where, look guys, bring it closer. Can you see where the grease is popping up on the wood? I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, it also is a degreaser. Let me make sure I'm telling y'all right. What is it? Yep, it says it cleans grease. I don't know if you all can see that. So the grease that's on the cabinets is coming up. So I'm gonna have to put a little bit more elbow grease in this, and I can see some of the stuff just coming down. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work on this. Plus I'm gonna, look at that. Can y'all see this grease that's coming off? Look at that. I would like to end the video here. And I would like to thank you all for spending the day with me. There are other places in my home that needs my attention right now. I'm not gonna film that, but if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with everyone you know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.